Hello everyone, my name is Moad and I will explain my project. This is the file structure. These are the Scala files. These Scala files are responsible for the program's logic. These are the fxml files. These files are responsible for the layout of the program. These are the controller files. These files control every property and action in the fxml file. Now we will run the application. The first scene to appear is the main page. This is the default page. This page is set over a layout file called root layout. This is what the root layout looks like. The root layout file is the backbone of the program. I will now show you the codes which make this possible. These codes use the root layout file and then execute it. This function displays the main page fxml file or the root layout file. Now we will see the board and pieces. This is the board. It is made up of light gray and white tiles. The pieces are white and black. The pieces can move. Both pieces can move. Now I will show you the board functions. This is a function to call the board. The checkerboard fxml file is called, and then the tile and piece objects are called. I will now explain each of them in detail. The tile is responsible for drawing the board. Contains a constructor and a few other functions. The tile contains an instance of piece. Moving on. Piece is responsible for creating the actual pieces. It contains an instance of piece type. It contains a main constructor which is used to call create the pieces. This constructor gives color to the pieces and relocates them accordingly. And then finally, piece type determines the type of piece. The move result and move type will find the direction and type of movement. Move result uses inheritance to move with move type, since move type is a trait. Moving on, in the root layout fxml, there are taskbar options. These taskbar options are used to navigate the program. Going to the root layout controller, these taskbar options are created in the main constructor, and a function is assigned to each of them. And you now see it in action. Now we'll see the instructions page. This is the instructions page. This page displays the instructions on how to play the game. We will take a look at the controller for this file. This is the primary constructor. This class is responsible for taking a text from an external file, such as how to play txt, and placing the text onto the fxml file. And as usual, the button and labels are assigned a function each. We will now see it in action. And then finally, the exit button is used to close the application. These are CSS files. These files define the theme of the program. Each fxml file has its own CSS file. For example, instructions fxml has instructions.css. That's all from me. Thank you.